Hi community! Welcome to the 13th quarterly update video. We're getting closer and closer to unleash the borderless financial system run by the people. Today we'll give you an update about 2020, what was definitely the most successful year in Change's history. In the first 4 quarters of 2020, we achieved the following. Total of 138,000 installs, 41,000 verified accounts, annual trading volume of 119 million, and the product revenue of over 800,000 euros. We will be releasing more specific financial numbers at changeinvest.com/investor. We have also very exciting news about product development. In addition to cryptocurrencies and startup, you can now invest in Tesla, Netflix, and soon we're going to launch commodity CFD trading. In the future, we also look into physical stocks and other alternative assets where you can invest in. We have one very big announcement as well. We recently became first in Estonian Google Play Store, what is a really big accomplishment for all of us. And we now just need to repeat this in all the other app stores around the world. I can already tell that January was our best month ever in terms of active users, volume, and product revenue. And now let's go to our amazing team members who will give you more specific updates about their functions.
Hi everyone from Change's People team. So in the end of last year and also continuing to the first half of this year, one of our biggest focuses has been everything hiring related. So as the product is really scaling and we're also launching new products, we're looking to expand the team quite a lot as well. And now the biggest growth is going to be in the support team, in tech and marketing. So take a look at our careers page and we're always open for new exciting people to join us as well. And just like the rest of the world, second of our biggest focus areas today is adapting to the COVID situation. So as relocation has become quite difficult, we are now also considering our first remote openings as well. And the third part, so we're not only expanding the team, we're also looking into how to increase our performance and productivity. So we are very actively working with our whole chiefs to figure out the ways how to do more with less. And this is it from people's side. Thank you.
Good morning, Changemakers. Welcome to Q4 Tech Update. Wow, do we have an update for you? It's been one hell of a year for us. Let's say 2020 has been tough across the board for the people, for the tech, for scaling everything, but we managed to survive this year, which is great. So I'll go through some of the challenges we faced in Q4, what we did, and our plans for the future. So Q4 was all about scaling for tech. It feels like a broken record, but every time we thought we fixed the scaling issues, we just get more and more users, and it's like perpetual motion that we go through to make sure that we can serve all our customers. So the biggest effort this quarter went into the hiring. So we focused a lot on onboarding some new engineers. Check out our career page for open positions. If there's any engineers watching out there, check the link in the description and see if you are a fit for our company. We also spent quite a lot of time on scaling our infrastructure this quarter, optimizing a bit. Still a lot of work to do, but I would say we are definitely getting there. If you compare us to, let's say, one of the other big exchanges, we were definitely up more than they were. Let's leave it there. Another thing we're working on quite rigorously around the clock in tech is also some better price discovery. So we're working quite hard to kind of source different prices so we can provide our customers with the best possible prices out there. And let's say all our resources and everything is going behind this to make sure we can deliver this to our customers soon. Other thing as well, like this is not live yet, but will be soon. Like we are launching commodities as well. So a lot of work went into adding commodities, adding stocks. Stocks is new this quarter as well, I think, yeah. yeah. Stocks is new this quarter as well. And yeah, I think that's it for us. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, from snowy Tallinn. What a quarter it's been. I joined Change only 3 months ago to head up marketing team, and it already feels like I've been here forever. So what were the marketing focuses for Q4 2020? One of my personal aspirations was to find more about our customers and get you guys know better. Thanks everyone who had time to have a call with me and share your trading experience with Change. It actually was a very vital input for our further plan to introduce more retention initiatives for you. Secondly, together with the product team, we worked hard on improving our conversion and making it as effortless as possible for our customers. As a result of that, we actually managed to triple our conversion rate and minimize the time between a new user actually signing up with us and making the first trade. As promised last quarter, we also focused on localization, and by now, basically, all our app listings in both Google Play and App Store are available in all European languages. And more localization efforts are to follow. And last but not least, we also put a lot of effort into our paid acquisition. We were able to break even and produce positive ROI for further scaling in Q1 this year, so that more people could actually change their financial future with us.
Hello everyone. For customer support and operations team, the main goal for 2020 was to improve and automate everything related to deposits and withdrawals, so that we are able to provide the expected service level for our active customers. However, we were aware that once we start growing, the verification process will become our biggest bottleneck. We haven't improved this process since 2019. There's a lot of manual work, and from the technical side as well. There's a lot of problems, and currently the system cannot take the load we have. Therefore, since December, my very small but strong team have been struggling with the load we have right now. Our current response time is definitely below our standards. Some of you might have been waiting for the reply for 1 to 3 days. On the positive side, we have still managed to keep a really good customer satisfaction rating around 94 to 96%. If it comes to quality and values, we have our team, we never take shortcuts, and we still handle every case with a good care. We do have a short-term plan in place. We will hire more people so that we can increase the support availability hours as well. For the long term, the main goal for the Q1 is to completely revamp the verification process so that it will be really fast and smooth for the customers, and will remove the manual work from the support side as well. So give us a bit of time to get back on track again. We are working on it and hope to get there soon.
Hi, this is Gustav from the product team. So Q4 was an outstanding quarter for us, both in terms of new features and products that we launched and the results that we achieved. But first things first. So over the past 3 years, the underlying hypothesis of the product team has been that Bitcoin and the crypto industry will rise again, reach new all-time highs, and become a multi-trillion-dollar industry. And for the past 3 years, we have built with this conviction in mind through the more promising and less promising times of crypto. And what we have seen over the past few months is that this hypothesis has been validated. We have new all-time highs, and we are growing really fast as an industry. And this has resulted in exponential growth across the board, new users, trading volumes, and revenues. Just to illustrate the fact, what we achieved in the month of January 2020, we were able to achieve in a single day, in multiple days to be fact, in December. Some of you might have already experienced some issues with price feeds and the slow app. But this has been due to the fact that we have been growing exponentially across the past few months. So I would ask you to bear with us. Together with Alec, we are introducing major improvements in tech to address the scaling issues, and hopefully we can serve a lot more customers in the quarters to come.
Change is a community-governed startup. Feel free to go changeinvest.com/opinion to vote on matters regarding change and give feedback to our team. I would personally like to thank the 7,000 people who have stuck with us, who have invested in us through CNG, on Funderbeam, who are just chilling with us on Telegram. Don't just use change, own it.